Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce Einstein Activity Capture settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring Salesforce Einstein Activity Capture settings, first, log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, locate the app launcher in the upper left corner of the screen and click on it. In the search bar of the app launcher, type Einstein Activity Capture and select it from the drop-down list. You will now see the Einstein Activity Capture settings page. Look for the Settings tab within the Einstein Activity Capture interface. Click on the Settings tab to access the options available for configuration. Next, check whether the Data Sources section displays your connected email accounts. If your accounts are missing, proceed by clicking on the Connect button. In the pop-up window, follow the prompts to reconnect your email accounts. Once your email accounts are connected, ensure they are enabled for syncing. You can find the enabling option next to each connected account. After confirming that all accounts are set to on, review the synchronization settings. Make adjustments according to your preferences, such as selecting the types of events you want to capture. To save your changes, look for the Save button at the bottom right corner of the settings page. After saving, return to the main dashboard of Einstein Activity Capture. Finally, verify that your settings are working by checking the activity logs of your connected accounts. Congratulations, you have successfully restored your Einstein Activity Capture settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.